Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tanisa Firial Hasti. Here I will explain about countable nouns. First is definition. Countable nouns are nouns or things that can be counted in unit with numbers. First is definition. Countable nouns are nouns or things that can be counted in when First is definition. Countable nouns are nouns or things that can be counted in units with numbers. Usually, objects or things that are countable nouns are solid in First is definition. Countable nouns are nouns or things that First is definition. Countable nouns are nouns or things that can be counted in units with numbers. Usually, objects or things that are countable nouns are solid or tangible. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. In the singular form, countable nouns are usually preceded by a or an. When you want to ask the number with a question sentence, use how many followed by the plural form of the noun. Next, a characteristic of countable noun. First is countable in number. Example is 1, 2, 3. 2 has singular and plural forms. 3 is the singular form usually begins with the article a or an. Example, a book, an apple. Next is the plural form is usually added with the suffix s or s. Example is books, apples. And can be used with the question how many to ask the amount. Use of countable nouns in sentence. First is singular. Using the article a or an if there are no other determiners. Example is I have a pen or she eats an apple. Second is plural, usually plus s or s. Example is I have 2 pens or she eats 3 apples. Third is how many, used to ask to quantity. Example, how many pens do you have? Next is countable noun rules. First is add s or s to form plural. Example is book become books. Second is use verb when countable noun s. Example is the cakes are on the table and kids are playing. Third is use articles. Example is I saw a bee today. Fourth, use of cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers like 3, 4, 5, and 6 with countable nouns when required. Example, she has 5 chocolates. Fifth is use words like many, few, several. Example, I have many chocolates. Next is plural forms in countable noun. First is regular plural. Add s. Example is book become books, car become cars. Second, add s. Box become box, bus become buses. Watch become watches. Third, if it ends in Y after a consonant, change Y to I and then add S. Baby become babies. City become cities. And if it ends in F or V, replace it with fast. Leaf become leaves. Knife become knives. Next, explore form uncountable nouns. Irregular plural. Example is child become children. Man become man. Woman become woman. Tooth become teeth. Foot become feet. And mouse become mice. Quantifier for countable noun. First, a or an for one thing. Example is a cat, an apple, or a chair, a table. Second is some, for some books. Third, many. Example is for many cars, for many bicycle. Fourth, a four. Fourth, a few, for a few pencils. Five is several, for several objects, or several students. Six, each every. Example is for each unit, each student, or every car. Seven is how many. To ask the amount. Example is how many apples, how many burger, how many. And next is example. This is three example. First is the comic has 15 chapters in it. Two, she has three cats. And next is example. First is the comic has 15 chapters in it. Second is she has three cats. And third is how many friends do you have? Okay, this is my presentation about countable nouns. Okay, that's all for my countable nouns presentation. I'm sorry if there are any errors in presenting the materials. Thank you for watching.